welcome back. Quick outro. I really wanted to film this video because I recently fell in love with mom jeans. They're hands down my second favorites after boyfriend jeans, because guess what, no one can judge my skinny legs when I'm wearing this. Ha ha ha. Yes, as a skinny girl I love to find refuge on loose fit bottoms, so I love wearing mom jeans now. Even though I live in a hot country, I don't feel so hot when I wear them as opposed to when I wear skinny jeans. So safe to say this has been a staple on my wardrobe. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this lookbook. I continuously had to tell my cousin to like hold the camera steadily. Apologies if there was any shaky footage because she has no experience whatsoever. However, we gotta get that content, right? As always, there will be no links in the description box for the items I'm wearing because I try to preach sustainability here on my channel, and that's why I keep my lookbook outfits fairly classic and easy to recreate. For instance, you can find mom jeans anywhere, on a thrift shop or in a normal shop. You can also find the white shirt, you can find the crop top, you can find the tank top. My lookbooks are mainly inspirational to give you ideas on how to pair things together. I've also done a lookbook on how to style wide leg pants and another one on how to style boyfriend jeans. The quality of the other lookbooks isn't as good because I filmed this one with my new camera. Nonetheless, the outfit inspiration is still there, so I'll leave the links for those two lookbooks on the description box and here on the card. And that's it, people. Thanks for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe, give this video a like so that YouTube will recommend it to more people that don't know how to style their mom jeans. So be a good human. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell, and I see you guys on my next one. Mwah.